Hello.
Hello, can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, sure. I can hear you, but you're not visible.
Visible.
There is some
Let me
problem in
check.
your video.
So just let me check.
At
There's
present,
an
also at this moment, that you are not audible to.
there seems to be a problem with my camera, sir. So I am not able to turn
I
my
think there is a
video.
but there is a problem with both ends. One is from audio too, and then from the second end, that there is a no, there is a video problem too. You are not.
Okay, is my audio clear? Okay, is my audio clear, sir?
No, no, no. Audio is not clear.
Audio is clear as well.
No, no.
Now
Both
is
of
it okay?
now it's okay, but your audio is okay, but you're not visible.
Okay, so there's a glitch with my camera. I think I would not. The same thing happened in a previous session. I would make sure I rectify that. Well, I am Anushka. I'll be your speaker today.
Yeah, fine. So now this is an audio call. Maybe that this is not a video call.
Yeah, video call is not possible at this point, I feel, because my camera is unable to start.
Okay.
Okay, so the
So
topic, okay, go ahead.
no. Actually, that today, if you're talking about the topic, then I cannot talk on the topic. You can have a conversation.
Okay, that would be great. On
Yeah,
what kind
yeah,
of
exactly.
conversation would you like to
No,
have?
no. You just tell me that I'm ready for that. You can tell me anything. We can have a conversation because that I have never talked to you. This is the first time. Before this, I talked to Shambhavi and then Divyam, and then I think I just talked to Diksha. I think you're Anushka Pranjali. I think that's your name is Anushka Pranjali.
Yes, that is
Oh,
my
fine.
name.
Yeah, fine. So
Okay,
where are you
so
from?
I'm from Maharashtra.
You're from
Wh-
Maharashtra.
Yes. So as we are talking for the first time, even I don't know much about you. Can you tell me something about yourself?
Yeah, sure. This is Sarfaraz Khan, and I'm from Jharkhand.
Okay. Do you have any hobbies, sir?
Yeah, I have my hobbies are the first is playing cricket, and second is teaching, and that's English. I love
Oh,
teaching
that's
English too. Mhm.
That's wonderful. What do you love more about teaching English? What's your
Uh,
drive towards teaching English?
what's my drive? You can say I love making, I love, in helping, enhancing the communication, even just improving the student's accent. This was
Okay,
a, yeah, this is, you can say.
that's very thoughtful of you.
Actually, means I have institutes I teach my students, and the grammar, the pronunciation, and then if you talk about accent, I love to teach my students, an American accent because hopefully that I'm unable to speak an Indian accent. This is what the problem that I have.
Okay, so in your view, where does learning communication skills or sharpening your communication skills stand in the overall personal development of a student?
Hmm. I didn't get you. I didn't get you. Can you please repeat it?
Yeah, sure. In your opinion or in your view, what do you think? Where does learning communication skills stand in the overall development of a student or a person in general?
Learning communication skill. You're talking about
How
learning
important?
communication.
Yeah, how important is it to learn or sharpen your communication skills
Oh,
for a
really,
personality
it's
development?
definitely. This is really very important because that if you're talking about learning communication skill or pronunciation, what exactly? Can you repeat it? I'm unable to
Uh,
get you.
co-
Sometimes that I'm able to listen, but sometimes that it's gone off.
okay, it's completely alright.
Oh,
I'd
is
repeat it
it?
again.
Am I like? Is that my video is visible to you? Am I clear to
Y-
you?
yes, your audio and visual are completely clear to me.
Oh no! So now I can see you, but you can see me, but I can't see you.
Yes, kind of a mystery. It's something which is a problem here and clearly not something I am trying to do. Well,
No,
I
no,
was
but
saying that
now I can tell you one thing that yeah, it's a really very good from the learner end, and from the
hmm,
tutor end there is a problem.
The learner is getting everything the learner wants from your end, because it's okay if you don't see me, but for me it is very important to see you, so that if in case, just in case,
No, no,
there
no, no.
are
This is
some
no, no. This is
mistakes,
no, no.
I
It's
can
not
rectify
okay.
those.
No, no. You can.
Okay.
You're right that you can rectify, but you can't say that no. It's okay from your end. It's okay from your end, but it's not okay from my end.
Why is that so?
Why? Because that's it. Actually, means my students. I just a number of means. You can tell in other words that I upload my video on YouTube, and basically that I just tell my students that this is that you go through this video, whether you will get to learn something from this video too. But
Oh,
yeah,
yeah. Then there is something definitely I might be losing in this end. It is something which is a
sure.
real
I
problem in
don't
my
know.
phone right now.
I don't know. I don't know. Maybe not maybe.
Yeah.
I think that it's really must be that you're losing something. Fine, no problem at all. I can manage it because I just told my students. Anyhow, yesterday I had my reservations with I think I forgot her name. Yeah, it's Parveen Khan. And I
Okay.
forgot, not I forgot, I was late because I was teaching my students, and I
Hmm.
just got late reaching there because that I was teaching in my institute. So reaching to
Hmm.
my own place where I could talk to Parveen Khan, but I just reached late. So I was 10 minutes late for that, so I missed that. So I reserved for Parveen Khan, but I don't know, but it's really very good that I got you also. But the only one thing is that you're not visible. Otherwise,
Yes.
everything is
I,
okay.
that was the reason I was a couple minutes late to this session, because I
So no,
restarted
no.
my phone, but the same thing, the same problem is occurring. I will rectify the mistake as soon as possible, and
As soon as
I would like to
possible,
carry.
it means say, listen to me.
Okay.
Whoever talks to you or whoever selects you for a conversation, I think that he or she would really like to see you. They can have a conversation. Or if this condition is like this, suppose that you are not visible and I'm visible to you, then it could be called as an audio conversation. It cannot be called as a video conversation.
It
So
can be called a partial audio-visual conversation, because I can see you. It's just that you are unable to see me because of my mistake, and
partial,
I accept
yeah.
that.
This is the other case. You can say, but the learner would only expect your video and your audio clearly. This is what. And
Yes,
I'm a
definitely they
learner
can
right now
accept.
that I'm a learner because you are a tutor, and I'm a learner.
Yes, yes,
That's
that
true.
is absolutely right and righteous to expect as a learner's part. But we, being on the technical end, have some technical glitches which we are not always ready for. If this was in-person interaction, definitely this is something that would never have occurred. But since we are on a technical platform, some things
Hmm.
unexpectedly occur, and we have to be ready for all the situations in life. We
You're
cannot
right.
always have what we want.
Hmm. And before this, just yesterday that I just talked to a Cambly tutor. I think
Okay.
his name is Mr. Jake. I have registered on Cambly as well as Clapingo both.
Okay.
Because that I want to go for Cambly as a tutor, but
Hmm.
unfortunately that for that I think that you want to be if you want to be a Cambly as a tutor, if you want to be tutor in Cambly, then you need to complete your 12 hours or something like that. They require something, and even though I requested, not requested, I just talked to, I asked Ms. Shambhavi and then Mr. Divyam Jan something
Hmm.
like regarding Clapingo's tutor. If you want to be a
Okay.
Clapingo tutor, that what are the criterias, what are the procedures, all these
Hmm.
things that I asked, and now I understood what are the things required for that.
So, are you looking forward to join Clapingo as a speaker?
Do you think so? Am I eligible?
Well, if after completing your sessions with Clapingo, you feel so confident and uh, really, and if you have really improved your English, it would be amazing on Clapingo's part to turn a learner into a speaker. That would really
That's
be the
true.
success.
That's true. But from your end, now you're listening to me. So now, can you tell me that I'm eligible for a tutor?
Sure, like if you complete your sessions, and the thing is, I am a speaker
I have
myself.
no. I have registered. I think once per a week, one per week, and this is
Okay.
my third session on this Clapingo. I have one more
Hmm.
session left, and that too I will do. I will do in the next week,
Hmm.
maybe Monday, Tuesday. I don't know on which day that I would do. because sometimes that I also need to find out my own time too, because
Yeah.
I teach my students from morning to evening, that I'm busy with the students. And apart from that, I have to talk to Camly tutor also. And really, it was a lovely conversation yesterday with Mr. Jack.
Hmm.
And for your confirmation, that I can tell you that I have a YouTube channel that's with the name Grow English.
Oh, that's wonderful.
So if you wish to go, then you please just check it out, that whether that do I deserve or not, because that you are a speaker, you are a tutor on Clapingo. Sometimes I always forget to speak. Sometimes I get confused what to speak. Clapingo, Camly, Clapingo, Camly, all these
Yeah.
things.
It's okay. We are only human to make mistakes and learn from them. I would
No,
definitely love to check out your channel. Like, since when
oh,
have you started this YouTube
I
channel of
think,
yours?
yeah, on 15th of August 2020, last year, I
Okay.
created I created this on my YouTube channel, and then I think since then I have uploaded almost 32 videos. 32 videos, yeah, 32, and this may be 30, I think 33 video, but you are not visible.
Yeah, that's much.
Hopefully that it cannot be uploaded, because that it will not be of no sense. It will not be of a single sense that if it is not visible.
Well, definitely, I feel like if the students are really interested in learning it and would
No,
tend to pull up the
definitely.
audio a bit, they can definitely gain at least something from this session, the way we are
Sure. No,
interacting
you
and
no,
the way
you
we
are
gain.
exactly that. You're right now. And one more thing is that last I think I talked to I forgot her name. Yeah, her name is Diksha. She also
Hmm.
from Maharashtra, but she's from Pune city.
Okay.
And I just talked to her. It was really lovely conversation with her, but due to some misunderstanding that I did not ask. No, I asked permission. I just took her permission that whether to upload video on YouTube or not. But she said at once, she said that yes, but on the other hand, I think she was not comfortable. I think she was uncomfortable. That's why. So I had
Yes,
to make that
because
video
before
private.
uploading, yeah. Okay.
Hmm.
Before uploading any video from Clapingo or of the conversation we have on Clapingo, you have to ask a formal
Definitely, I
permission,
do
a
know. No, no,
consent.
I do know that, because that before Clapingo, I joined Camly, so I know that all the criteria, that what are the things required, because that sometimes it is, it talks about the privacy of some tutor.
Yeah, it does.
Hmm.
And I was not informed before because I've been conducting sessions from 4 p.m. continuously and I had no
Really?
break in between to
No.
rectify the mistake. Yes.
Wow, very good. So apart from this job, besides this one, besides Clapingo, besides teaching on Clapingo, do you any other work?
I am a final year student.
Final year student of what honors you
Uh,
have?
B, I'm studying BTech Biotechnology. I'm a final year student in BTech
Biotechnology,
Biotechnology.
BTech, that's biotechnology.
Yeah, bachelor's in biotechnology.
Oh, bachelor's in biotechnology. Yeah, that's true. So you're looking, no, exactly that. I registered for Parveen Khan, because that once I watched a video with, I don't know, with which, with whom that she was talking, but she was talking to one of the YouTubers. And she said that, yeah, I love to speak in an American accent. And that's why that I just watched her video. So I registered for, Parveen Khan. And one more thing in this one only, that you, I think that after this session that you would think about rectifying this the problem of your video, and but really your voice, the way you make me understand, it's really great.
I appreciate your acknowledgement for sure. Like you do you teach American accent as well in your institution?
Sometimes no, that depends upon that depends upon the requirement of students, whatever they require. If they require for British accents, so I go for that. If they require for Indian accent, but this is quite problem for me that to go for the Indian accent, because that's trends they speak in Indian accent, and but I'm unable to speak an Indian accent. This is what the problem that I do carry. I do follow with this one. So sometimes that I really should think about that, where like I should think about to speak in an accent, then American, all those things. But yeah, I teach in American accent too.
Okay,
And
so amongst American accent and British accent, which is your favorite one, or which are you more comfortable in, or which one would you prefer?
oh no no, which one would I prefer? If you talk about, so I would go for, I would go to both. That means British accent also and American accent, because both accents are really very lovely.
Okay, so but still one accent might have an edge over other in your personal preference while
Uh,
having a
that
conversation. Which would you prefer?
that would be an American accent. Well, because
Oh,
that, the native speakers, I love to talk to native speakers. This,
okay. Okay,
and
that's very
native speaker,
interesting.
yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. You were saying something.
No. You can see, sometimes that I should let you speak also, because that my some of